Hello, sewing enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of creativity with the Brother Project Runway sewing machine. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your stitching journey, this tutorial is your guide to unlocking the full potential of this fantastic machine. Meet your trusty companion, the Brother Project Runway sewing machine, a powerhouse designed for precision and versatility. Let's embark on a journey of discovery, shall we? First up, familiarize yourself with the machine's features, from the user-friendly LCD screen to the variety of stitches and the convenient automatic needle threader. This machine is a game-changer for your sewing projects. Whether you're into fashion, crafting, or quilting, this machine has got you covered. Let's explore some practical tips and tricks to make your sewing experience seamless and enjoyable. Learn the art of threading with ease, master different stitch styles, and discover how to make the most of the machine's accessories. With the Brother Project Runway sewing machine, your creative possibilities are endless. Now that you're acquainted with the basics, let's put your skills to the test. We'll guide you through a simple but stylish project that showcases the machine's capabilities, making your sewing dreams a reality. From runway-inspired fashion to personalized home decor, this sewing machine is your ticket to turning ideas into beautiful, tangible creations. So, roll up your sleeves, thread that needle, and let the creative journey begin. Comment, like, subscribe.